Assalamu alaikum and hello viewers, researcher. Today I am going to present a new video, very interesting video, very hot topics. As you can see here, rewards for research. This always motivate us, drive us. So that's why I'm going to present this interesting video for young researcher, early career researcher to inspire you, to motivate you. So as you can see, there are a number of research rewards. If our research is outstanding, excellent, certainly this will bring a lot of rewards for us. So there are a number of awards basically. However, I will be highlighting here most important awards for research. So first of all, we as academician, we always looking for our academic promotion. That is highly important. That basically motivate us, that basically inspire us. So this not only recognition, there are also a lot of financial benefits. Once we got promotion from one position to another position, there are allowances, there are salary increment, there are many other benefits associated with the any academic promotion. So this is not only recognition, it also makes our financial benefit financially better. Second thing also, as you can see here, research grants. Research grant is actually very important for researcher, for their future growth, for their academic progression, for their development. As you know, research grants are basically lifeblood for researcher. Without research fund, actually we cannot develop lab, we cannot find, we cannot support students. So that's why research grant is very, very important for our future growth, to improve our academic capability, performance, and contribute immensely in the research area. As you can see also here, there are a number of awards also associated with your research performance. So award, recognition, financial benefits. So there are highly cited research award, there are patent award, there are many other awards associated with the research. So this award also related with your research and publication performance. This also brings sometimes financial benefits, financial gains are also associated with this award. So I will be sharing some of my experience associated with these different types of award, reward that I got, and how much also financial gain it was associated with some of my award. Certainly, we do research for our scientific contribution, for our academic requirement. So as you can see, when we are promoted, so this is our academic recognition. At the same time, also our salaries increments are also increased. So there are financial benefits as well. So I will share some of my recognition, how they are related with some benefit, financial benefit, particularly to inspire you, to motivate as well. So one of the benefit of good quality research, high quality research, outstanding research is the fast promotion. Let me start with my one of the examples that I got when I finished my master's with some good quality publication and outcome. So as a result of 2 or 3 good quality publications in energy conversion and management, immediately after completion of my PhD at that time in 2001, actually the Dean of Faculty of Engineering invited me to join as a lecturer. At that time, I joined as a lecturer without having a PhD. So I was the last person to join as an expatriate, as a lecturer in University of Malaya. So this is one of the best examples that how research brought the benefit for me. So I managed to publish a few good quality papers at that time, and as a result, I was invited to join as a lecturer even without having a PhD. Then subsequently, after joining University of Malaya, I work hard. I always try to tried my best to publish in good quality journals. As a result, some of my promotion from lecturer to senior lecturer were quite fast, and associate professor position was also immediately after completion of my PhD. So I got fast promotion. And also as an expatriate international staff, and also in University of Malaya, it is not an easy to get promotion. So I also got a professorship position even before the age of my 40 years old. So if there are good quality research, certainly it will help researcher to be promoted as fast as possible. So you will be certainly rewarded, you will be certainly promoted. Another best examples is my colleague, Professor Adarsh Kumar Pandey. He got basically 2 promotion within short period of time. Again, this reflects, this also recognize his hard work in terms of his research, publication, supervision. So his performance was outstanding. As a result, Sono University promoted him very fast, even without going through any interview. So this shows that if researcher performs well, their researches are outstanding, certainly you will be rewarded within short period of time. This is an important slide I'm going to share with you. So as you can see, so if our research is outstanding, excellent, very good, certainly this will bring reward in terms of academic position. As you can see, there are chair professorship position, there are distinguished professor position, there may be some other names also in different universities, different countries. So these are basically special positions, special recognition. Only top 10% or top few percent academic positions are in this area. For example, chair professor, distinguished professorship position. So when I was recognized as a highly cited researcher in 2014, actually at that time I had number of positions. So one of the position actually that was offered by King Fahd University, actually due to my highly cited researcher award. Someone actually came to Malaysia to convince me, to motivate me, to offer me to join their university. At the end, after a discussion, finally I agreed and I joined there due to their impressive, outstanding offer. As you can see, there are also distinguished professorship position. This is also Sono University offered me after some discussion with them. I met with their board members, top management, and I also discussed my research requirement, my team requirement, and we agreed. And as a result, finally also I joined here. So again, these are a special position, distinguished position offered to only those outstanding researchers. So another example is not only, I'm not going to share only my case, also one of my colleagues who also worked in University of Malaya with me, Professor Indra. So he also joined University Technology, Sydney, Australia as a distinguished professor due to his outstanding research performance, particularly due to his highly cited researcher award. So in addition to this special position, normally it is very hard to negotiate your salary research package without having outstanding research performance. So if you have outstanding research performance, certainly you can negotiate with your requirement, your salary package, your research package. This is what I discussed particularly with King Fahd University and also Sono University before joining them, because it is very important. So one is the package, certainly it is also important. At the same time, research necessary facilities, team members, labs. So these are also very important. So when you will have good research performance, some of the recognition, certainly you will have the opportunities to negotiate with your salary and research support requirement. In addition to this distinguished position, if researchers perform very well, their performance is outstanding, extraordinary, certainly you will be invited as a visiting position in different universities. So this also will be good for our academic reputation and recognition. So when I got this highly cited researcher award first time in 2014. Basically, I had 4 or 5 offers from different parts of the world. Finally, I joined King Fahd University as it was the most impressive one. Due to this research performance, some award, actually I'm constantly also invited by local and international universities to join them. So as I highlighted, lab support, lab building is very, very important. So if you are a good researcher, strong researcher, certainly you will get this extra privileges benefit. So when I was University of Malaya in 2012 or 2011, at that time there were some good funding. So I was invited to join, I was invited to apply for some funding. So initially I submitted a proposal with 1.8 million. Okay, since university found me a potential researcher, so they basically raised the total amount to 3 million. So after getting the 3 million, I was highly motivated. At that time, I also completed my PhD. So it was a good opportunity. So I strategized and I started to publish in good quality journals, started to recruit good quality students and build the lab. And as a result, university found that my research project was progressing very well. And they again invited me to get more funding. So they're asking, do you need any more money? So I was also again impressed. And it is also recognition of my research. So they asked how much more you need. So again, I requested another 600,000. So total 3.6 million funding was basically given to me. That basically brought me up to this level here. So a lot of recognition. We built the lab. We supervised many students. We established many collaborations. So that was actually very strong foundation of my research to come up to this level at this stage. That was about University of Malaya's research support. So now many of you know that I joined Sono University also here with the impressive lab support. So almost 5 million Malaysian ringgit, which is equivalent to 1.5 million US dollar, actually was given to me to build the lab, apart from building my own team. So this is again, I negotiated with them before joining that research is very expensive practice. So if I want to join, I need research money. So they are very happy, and Alhamdulillah, after joining, they have given this money to build the lab, to build my team, and also other necessary resources they have given us. So as you can see, if you are a good researcher, prolific researcher, certainly university will offer you also some additional funding for your growth. So if researcher performs well, certainly there will be a lot of local and international recognition award. As you can see, I have been receiving this highly cited research award since 2014. So until 2021, 8 consecutive years. Basically, this award actually raised my status in different way, as you can see. So when I was in University of Malaya, they also had an award called Highest Accumulation Citation Award. I also got this citation award 4 consecutive times when I was in University of Malaya. At Sono University also on 2019, Sono University also awarded me Vice Chancellor Award for Research. And Sono University, there are also research grants which they count at the end of the year based on total number of publications, citation, grants, award. Many criteria are there. Based on that, they also allocate some money for us to conduct research. So this is important slide. As you can see, we are academician, we are researcher. Certainly, we have a lot of recognition. Those drive us, those motivate us. At the same time, we also need our financial sustainability. This also motivates us. This is also important for us. As you have seen, when we are promoted, so there will be salary increment, there will be bonus, there will be some other allowances associated with the academic promotion. This basically drives us in both way. So in motivation as well as also in our financial benefit. So these are some additional benefits I'm enjoying. Particularly, this was the reason actually today I was thinking, because time to time I receive a lot of invitations. So I was thinking to post in LinkedIn and Facebook. Then suddenly I remember that now I have my YouTube channel. So basically I can explain more comprehensive way. This is basically the purpose of today's this lecture. So as you know, when I came in Malaysia in 1997, like some of you know, with a simple degree. At that time, I did not have much opportunity. So I started to work, I grow, and as a result, now these are basically the additional things which also drives us, which also motivate us. So this is basically the one of the main reason I'm going to share this video with you. So as a result of the research performance, so as I publish, I got award, I supervise students. So these are also noticed by international researchers, international people, administrators. As a result, constantly I am invited to evaluate the thesis, PhD thesis, master's thesis. So I evaluate thesis from Australian universities, South African universities, local, international, Middle East countries. So constantly I'm invited to evaluate the PhD and master student thesis. So this is one is the academic recognition. At the same time, also there are financial benefits associated with each and every evaluation. So I am also evaluating international proposal from Europe, Middle East, Malaysia, and some other parts of the world. Normally, each proposal, when we evaluate, sometimes $200 US, sometimes $250 US are given. So as you can see, along with the recognition of our expertise, at the same time, there are some financial benefits as well. So I am also evaluating number of promotion from Middle East countries particularly, and also some of the promotion from local Malaysian universities as well. This is again recognition of my expertise. They find themselves, they invite me. So this certainly inspire me, motivate me also to work hard. And this also reflects the recognition of my research. So recently, I evaluated number of promotion evaluation for associate professor and associate professor to professors for Middle Eastern countries. So sometimes this promotion evaluation actually rewards me by $1,000 US, 300, 400 US. So for last few months, basically, I received a number of requests to evaluate number of promotion evaluation. As you know, when we are growing as a researcher, we have research performance. Certainly, we are also invited as a keynote speech speaker, invited speaker. Sometimes there are also financial rewards in terms of $200 US, 300 US. So as you can see, we never ask for money, but when we do research, we conduct quality research, certainly there will be side benefit in terms of monetary benefit that basically also will drive us. And this also sometimes, as you know, if we are financially strong, our base is strong. So after working so many years, so Alhamdulillah, my base is quite good. So now if these types of incentives, additional monies can be obtained, so I can spend this money also to support needy people, poor people, those who are sick, particularly to contribute to the societies. Also, time to time, when I'm invited as a to give seminar talks on publication on my expertise, they also give some honorarium, as you can notice. We also work as a reviewer, but in this case, normally there are no financial incentives, benefits, but some publisher will actually discount for your application page charge, and also sometimes if you want to buy their books, so there will be some discount. But again, this is also our academic recognition, and this also will help us in our promotion. And this is again contribution to the society. not only all those benefits, so we are scientists, we are researchers, sometimes we want to move here and there. So as you can see, the US talent visa, green card is also this research, extraordinary, outstanding research performance also will help you to get this US talent visa, green card visa. I'm aware also for UK, Australia, these recognitions are also there for outstanding researchers. So one of the best example is my colleague, Professor Indra Mahali. Actually, he got that distinguished professorship position with 5 years research contract, and also I think the permanent position due to his highly cited research award. So it's not only US green card and visa, I think some other Western countries also will recognize you for your outstanding research capability. As far as I know, US has number of visa categories. So one of them is extraordinary capability, extraordinary ability, where research performance, research recognitions are counted. There are 8 criteria. So some of the criteria are extraordinary research performance. As you can see, they have specific category also, outstanding professor and researcher. Basically, I have seen, for example, highly cited research award. So these are one of the criteria that a researcher can fulfill to get their US talent visa and green card visa. They also highly recognize this distinguished position with high salary, and also I think that evaluation, panel member, judge, all those are highly related with this US talent visa, green card visa, extraordinary ability visa. So those who are doing very good, high quality research, extraordinary research, this also will be useful for your US green card, US talent visa. So I'm sure that if you know all these criteria, this will be helpful for your visa preparation as well. If you want to move to US, as you know, US is the land of opportunities. So if you fulfill all these criteria, you can move there and probably you can do better research over there. So there are publication incentives as well. So I work in some other universities. So when I was in one of the universities, particularly for every Q1 journal papers, researchers were awarded $1,500 US, something like that. And total, someone can claim up to $12,000 US. So as you can see, there are huge financial benefits for us as well. So some universities still has these publication incentives for their staff, for their students, and these benefits actually can be shared with the students and those who are involved in the co-authorship as well. So when I was in University of Malaya, they also gave me this highest accumulation citation award, so which was equivalent to around 10,000 Malaysian ringgit, along with the certificate. So as you can see, research, good quality research also brings, gives us also some very good financial reward. There are in some countries, if somebody published, some researcher published in Science and Nature, I think there are huge financial benefit as far as I know. So now there might be a question, how we can be prepared, how we can be an outstanding researcher, how we can make a better plan. So as my intention is to motivate, inspire young minds, so keeping that in my mind, actually I have launched my YouTube channel, as many of you know. So this is one of the highly popular videos so far. I have uploaded in my YouTube channel, research focus for early career researcher. I have shared all my 25 years of experience, particularly how to focus on research, not only research, also teaching focus. So both videos are there. So I strongly request you to go through this video. This certainly will help you to make a better preparation for your user growth. Okay, so with this, basically, you can be a prolific researcher, you can be an outstanding researcher, you can be a world-class researcher, and certainly, as you can see, I have highlighted here, you will have academic benefit, you will have motivational benefit, you will have financial benefits as well. Of course, we also will contribute in science and technology as well. So as I always spend some quality time to prepare all this content, so I also suggest you to share with scientific community so that they are also benefited. At the same time, if possible, try to give some constructive feedback so that I can improve. As a human being, I'm not perfect, but I always want to improve based on your comments. And also if you have suggestion for new videos, what would be useful for you, I'll try my best also to entertain your request. So to get the latest update, I also request you to subscribe my channel so that you always can get the latest update. So we also have our LinkedIn page. As you know, I'm working at the Research Center for Nanomaterials and Energy Technology. So we have a LinkedIn page. So we post normally a lot of research tips. Sometimes we share also our available position, our PhD program, a lot of research tips basically we share here. But as you know, we cannot share each and every details here. So that's why I have launched this YouTube channel where I can give comprehensive lecture for your benefit. I also have a Facebook page, so you can join there also to get latest updates or research tips. I also would like to encourage you, your friends, your relatives, your colleagues to study at Sono University, or also to look for higher studies, PhD. For example, we have sustainability, science and technology. It is very popular PhD program. We also provide scholarship, and it is very attractive program. So I strongly recommend those who are qualified, those who are interested, you can join our PhD program. There are other programs also at Sono University. So you can explore more about Sono University through their respective website. So as you can see, this is recently our president shared during his town hall engagement meeting. So Sono University, as you can see, in graduate employability is #1 according to Talent Bank. So it is, I am here, so I can see a lot of unique things here. It is an amazing city, world-class city. You can enjoy. It is also a tourist spot, and also in terms of quality, if there is no quality, I also would not join here. So as you have seen, they gave us lab, impressive team. So all those things I share in the LinkedIn and Facebook. So it is very good place. There are some unique benefits, unique features associated with this city and with this university. So also, as you can see, it is also it also has partnership with Lancaster University. Some of the programs are also validated. Some of the programs actually students got 2 certificates, one from Lancaster, one also from Sono University. We also have a new program on engineering, chemical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering undergraduate level. So you can send your friends, brothers, sisters, those who are interested to study at Sono University. So you can explore more in their respective website. And particularly, you can communicate with our international office for the more details. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope this will be very useful for you, and certainly this will motivate you. And at the same time, I'm optimistic that this will help you to make a better preparation for your future growth. Thank you very much.